Hello friends. Purpose of this meditation is not just become slim but become healthy from inside. Because health comes first, as healthy body is surely going to be slim, trim and happy. And happiness from within is always ultimate. As you know all, in achieving the great height of success, happy and healthy body can work wonders. And let me tell you, it all begins with your subconscious mind. Once you succeed to open the door of subconscious mind, success is all yours. Whatever ideas we instill into it get absorbed undoubtedly, and subconscious mind has the power to bring them into reality. Seeing mental picture of your goal every day makes it easy to achieve it faster. So let's begin our journey to become slim and healthy by awakening your subconscious mind. Sit cross-legged, keep your back straight but relaxed. Make yourself comfortable and gently close your eyes. Let's go for long inhalation and complete exhalation. With every breath, see relaxing every particle of your body. Long, quiet, gentle breath. Every breath, my mind is getting calm, quiet and relaxed. With each long breath, I can see myself going deeper and deeper. I continue breathing. Long, quiet, gentle breath. My mind is totally calm and quiet. Now I have achieved complete relaxation. With this, I am into alpha state of mind, where my subconscious mind is fully awake. I can see myself standing in front of mirror, smiling happily at the reflection of my own. I love myself. I accept the way I am, the way I look, in whatever shape my body is. Whatever small or big health issues I carry, I accept everything. I accept my body. I accept my health issues. Also, I accept that somewhere long ago, I neglected my body. I behaved carelessly. My body was giving signals to me. It was reminding me again and again to look after it. It was urging me to take care of it. Though I knew how to take care of it, though I knew how to take care of my body exactly, I overlooked my inner voice. I remained busy in things which were not as important as health. Let me accept my mistake, my fault. But now, enough is enough. I'm done being lazy. I'm done being careless. I very well know if I change my lifestyle, I can resolve my health issues. I very well know if I change my lifestyle, I can resolve my health issues. Then why not? Yes, why not? Let me start my journey to become slim and healthy. Now onwards, no one else but me will take responsibility of myself. No one else but me will change the scenario of my health. No one else but me will alter the way I look. Hey mirror, I have accepted the challenge. You will see the change soon. Yes, definitely. You will see the change soon. Bye for now. But how to begin with this? Is it really possible for me to become slim and completely healthy? Is it really realistic? Stop then and there. Now I know where to begin from. I have got to win in my mind first. Let me first change the way I think. Because I read it several times. What I think, I become. I am aware of the universal truth which says, your thoughts create your reality. I know bad thoughts have to come, but every time they come, I immediately turn them into pleasant ones. Every time they come, I turn them into hopeful thoughts. Now it's habit. Now only pleasant thoughts come to my mind. Whatever is the situation, only superior thoughts come to my mind. Yes, now I am on the right track. I have already ascended the first step of health ladder. Yes, I'm happy for myself. Simultaneously, to keep my body fit and bring it into shape, I exercise. I am very much regular with my exercise. Exercise is part of my routine now. Whether it is Sunday or Monday, doesn't matter to me. Whether I am at hometown or on picnic, it doesn't make any difference to me. As per the surrounding, sometimes I may have to change the form of exercise I do. But that's okay. I do it anyway. The form of exercise doesn't matter to me. Yoga, pranayama, gymming, walking, jogging. I am comfortable doing any form of exercise. because I know ultimately keeping body fit is the goal. Yes, I'm more than happy for myself. I have ascended second step of health ladder. That's great. One more thing I understand is you become what you eat. And for now, I am very well aware of the food which is good for me. And yes, avoiding unhealthy food is nowadays very easy for me, as my positive thinking always drives me towards the healthy food only. In order to live healthy, not only what I eat is important, but how I eat and how much I eat is also important. So, I always make sure to chew every bite of my food till it loses its texture. Yes, chewing every bite is very important for me, as it benefits two ways. Firstly, it makes digestion and absorption of food easy. Secondly, very important, the more I chew, less I eat. When I eat hurriedly, brain can't convey my stomach that I am full. But now, as I chew longer, my mind-body connection is getting stronger too. I know where to stop. It's really awesome. Wow! One action, two benefits. I was struggling since many years to eat less food at a time, in which I never succeed. But now, as I chew every bite for longer, it happens automatically. Sometimes, even after having food, I feel I'm hungry. But no, now I know it's not a hunger, it's a thirst. My body doesn't need food now. It needs water. Yes, I drink plenty of water throughout the day. And when I feel hungry, I always drink water first. Even after that, I feel starving, then I take food. This I never realized before, that craving which I feel can be for water, not necessarily for food always. Yes, I learned to decode the signal of my brain. Wow! Now my mind-body coordination is amazing. It's great to see myself ascending third step of health ladder. I have been following every step of health ladder religiously. And let me remind myself, it's been long time since I accepted the challenge from the mirror. Let me go back to it. Wow! Look at me now. How things have changed. Look at the glow on my face. Look at my body. I am slim like never before. On top of that, I am feeling healthy and enthusiastic. It's all really incredible. If I see through the journey of mine, I remember sometimes how painful it was to do exercise. I remember how every time it was difficult to convert negative thoughts into pleasant ones. Many times it was punishing to stop false craving. It's not that I never faltered. It's not that I never faltered. I did. But I rose up. I bounced back to win. And here I am. Yes, I won. Yes, I'm healthy, slim and trim and happy. With this happy, healthy feeling, once again, I'm going to concentrate on my breath. Long, quiet, gentle breath. Long, quiet, gentle breath. With every breath, I am coming out of subconscious mind. Long, quiet, gentle breath. Long, quiet, gentle breath. With each breath, I am stepping out of mysterious deepness of subconscious mind. Long, quiet, gentle breath. Long, quiet, gentle breath. Now you are completely aware of the outer world. Slowly bring your attention back to your body. Rub your palms and slowly scroll them down your face. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. I'm sure you're happy with the experience, so please like the video and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon to get latest updates. Thank you.